Very soon, I realized this is not my cup of tea. In 2003, I joined Max Life Insurance as a certified planner. Since then, I'm with Max. I'm running a fitness center also. That is in Vaishali in the name of Primal Fit.
So, how did you first get associated with 40?
I find 40 is the right place where you can grow professionally and personally. Now, I'm so happy that I'm with 40.
नमस्कार, मैं रीना अग्रवाल स्वागत करती हूँ आप सभी का 40 विमेन विंग की खूबसूरत सीरीज राइज विद विमेन की इस खूबसूरत सी कड़ी में. टुडे वी हैव विद अस मंजू शर्मा जी, हु इज फ्रॉम मैक्स लाइफ इंश्योरेंस फॉर लास्ट 22 years एंड शी इज रनिंग अ फिटनेस स्टूडियो ऑल्सो. सो मंजू शर्मा जी, स्वागत है आपका राइज विद विमेन की इस खूबसूरत सी कड़ी में.
Thank you so much for having me here.
So, first of all, tell us a bit about your journey as an entrepreneur.
So, being a law graduate, I started my journey in litigation, and very soon I realized this is not my cup of tea. So, I switched and I joined Modi Korea Telecom. That was a paging company, and I worked there for almost 7-8 years as customer care head. And उसके बाद pages का जमाना चला गया, मोबाइल आ गए.
Yes.
So I took a break, और in 2003 I joined Max Life Insurance as a certified planner, and since then I'm with Max.
Okay.
And also I'm running a fitness center also. That is in Vaishali in the name of Primal Fit. So we work on both financial fitness and physical fitness.
Good,
Yes.
good. So how did you first get associated with 40?
So 40 के बारे में बहुत सुना था, but मेरे पास बहुत डिटेल्स नहीं थी. But one of my friend introduced me to 40, and when I joined first meeting, I quickly realized this is the right place I should be there.
So what does 40 means to you professionally and personally?
See, 40, I find 40 is the right place where you can grow professionally and personally.
Yes.
And see, we heard that 40 works on women entrepreneur.
Yes,
and
definitely.
they to empower them.
Yes, yes.
So I thought let's take a try, and I joined 40, and now I'm so happy that I'm with 40 because there are a lot of opportunities, networking, and you can make good connections, and I can see the bonding between the members. They help each other to grow professionally and personally, both.
It means you found true friends here.
Certainly.
So what are some key benefits you get from this organization, being part of this?
See, 40 works for women empowerment, that is clear. So we are not aware about a lot of government policies that they introduce for females.
Yes.
So that is one thing, and उसके बारे में हमें जानकारी मिलती रहती है. And secondly, the kind of workshops and events 40 is conducting, and they are marvelous. We learn, and I'm a trainer also.
Okay.
So I'm always in learning mode. So I think I learned a lot of things from individual and as organization
So
also.
it is just like a classroom, na?
Oh yes. I learn a lot from each and every member.
Great. So what advice would you like to give to young entrepreneurs?
See, whatever you start, whatever the business you start, you have one dream: to be successful, right?
Yes.
So to be successful, success does not mean what you earn. मेरे हिसाब से success kind of things you are doing for people. So for me, success is that. So passion होना चाहिए बहुत ज़्यादा, and you have to be consistent and persistent. If there is no consistency, you cannot be succeed. And be a learner always. हमेशा सीखते रहने की इच्छा होनी चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे तो अब सब कुछ आ गया, I cannot. Secondly, you should give your 100%.
Yes.
100% आप नहीं दे रहे हैं तो you cannot be successful. Yeah. And a lot of opportunities are there, so you should grab the opportunity.
Yes. Totally agree with this. बहुत अच्छा लगा मंजू जी आपसे बात करके, and thank you for being here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.